Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem is the tree below is unrooted. Where could you place the root so that A and B are not each other's closest relatives? And here's a variants to choose from. Let's start with variant A at the node where D joins E. So species D, species E, and here's a node. So what is going to happen if, for example, we are going to put root, let's say, here. So let's start with the root. So here's our root, and here's our species D and E. So species D, species E, and here is going to be another species C, and we're also going to have two species here, which is going to be species A and B. According to this diagram, species A and B are still close relatives, so we have to reject this hypothesis that we should put our root here. Now let's check second variant, B at the midpoint of the tree. So that means that we have to put it somewhere here. In this case, our diagram is going to look as follows. Take a look. Here's our root, and here is going to be species C, and here is going to be species D and E. And now we have to draw this part. So starting from this root, we just make a new branch here, and we have here species A and species B. And still, as you see, these two species, according to this diagram, are close relatives. And again, we have to reject this hypothesis. And now the last variant is going to be at the node where A and B joins. That gives us this variant of the root. So root have to be here. So what's going to happen? Take a look. Let's put root here, then go to species A and B, A and B. So we draw this part, and then go species C, and from species C, one more branch of the species D and E. So this is going to look as follows. Here is going to be a line of the species C, and two more lines of species D and E. And now, according to this diagram, you see that species A and B, which is here, are not close relatives. Instead, species D and E close relatives, or species D, E, and C, we can say, would be more closely related than species A and B. So our choice is going to be variant C. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.